everybody, this is Madeline Ham, and I will be presenting my community in words and pictures. I currently live in Virginia Beach, Virginia. I'm in the Navy, and I recently moved from Norfolk to Virginia Beach, but I've been in the Hampton Roads area for almost 15 years. This area has a large military presence. Um, Navy, Army, Air Force, mainly the Navy. So I included a photo of one of the aircraft carriers here along the beach because the beach is a huge part of Virginia Beach, Virginia. That's what we are, is a beach town. Very large population, over 450,000 people in 244 square miles. The veteran population is 17%, which I actually thought would be higher because I know a lot of people stay their whole career in the Navy here and then they end up retiring and living here after they retire. So I kind of thought the veteran population would be a bit larger. The ethnicity and diversity here is over half Caucasian, around 19% African American, and over 6% Asian. We are slightly more female than male. We have 49% males and 50% female. As far as age goes, the median age here is 35.9, and 13% of our population is over 65. The median income here is actually $74,000, and we'll go a little bit more into that with quality of life. So crime here has actually gone down a lot since 2005. The national number to look at crime is a general number that they use, and in Virginia the crime has gone significantly down since 2005, from 227 down to 118 points, so almost cut in half. If you look at education, we have 93% high school graduates, and then a good amount, 26% of people here have some college or have a degree. 22% at the bachelor's degree level, and 12% a graduate degree or higher. Religious affiliations, we are 62% non-denominational or non-religious, which I was surprised to see that. Quite a few Catholic, quite a few Protestant, but a large majority not claiming a religion at all. As far as the poverty level goes, we're at 10% of our population living below the poverty level. We have some major employers in Virginia Beach. We have a few Navy bases. We have Naval Air Station Oceana. We have Geico Insurance Company, which is a large employer out here. Centera and the health care industry is also a large employer. Public administration. A lot of people are in the education field. We have quite a few colleges in Virginia Beach. Food and accommodations, because we are a tourist city with a large ocean front that people come to every summer for vacation. We also have the Christian Broadcast Network here, which is run and operated out of Regent University. A lot of sports here. Sports are very popular since we have a very warm summer season and people like to get out on the beach and play sports. So we have beach rugby, we have indoor-outdoor volleyball, a lot of running in Virginia Beach. The city of Virginia Beach puts on a lot of runs for the community. There's an annual Cherry Blossom Festival. There's also, let's see here, the Cherry Blossom Festival is the main attraction here every spring. So that'll be coming up in, well, it would be coming up in April if we weren't dealing with coronavirus. But there are a few other large sports tournaments that are hosted here. The East Coast Surf Championship is one of those, and there's also a large soccer tournament that's held each year as well. Looking at our map here, you can see that we're way over on the East Coast in the very southern part of Virginia. So we do border North Carolina, and as you can see, we have a long coastline with hundreds of hotels, motels, restaurants, beautiful sand beaches. Very beautiful area to come visit. A lot of people come here and vacation every year for their family's annual vacation. As far as a community assessment goes, I do believe Virginia Beach is a safe community. We pretty much hit every wicket for someone looking for a safe place to live, somewhere that has adequate access to goods and services. We have plenty of grocery stores, gas stations, a variety to choose from, not just one type of store. We don't just have Food Lion. We have a lot of different options for people to choose from. Relationships and communities that bind people together. We do have a lot of large churches here, so that's one thing that you'll find in common with people here, as well as outdoor activity, like I said, running, beach activities, boating, fishing, things like that. Being physically fit, being healthy are very popular in this community and tend to bring people together. The military community also creates a strong bond. And then treating people as a whole person, I think, is also noted in this community, because when you're out and about and you meet people, those people tend to want to know a little bit more about you, other than just what do you do for a living, you know. And if you're in the military community here, you definitely get to know each other a little bit beyond what you just what you do on a day-to-day at work. Opportunities for growth and fulfillment. Most of the charts that I looked at for Virginia Beach as a city, everything has gone up as far as housing available, employment available. So it's been a growing area since around the year 2000. It's grown and developed a lot. So a lot of people are coming here. A lot of people do want to live here. The crime is one of the things that has gone way down. So that's something to note, that this is a safe community for people to live in. And I think that's about it for Virginia Beach, Virginia. Hopefully you get a chance to check it out sometime. Thanks for listening.